Ready to level up your coding skills? So, you want to know how to use GitHub, the go-to platform for collaborative software development. First, let's get started by creating an account on github.com. Then follow my lead. After signing up, you'll likely want to create a repository, which is like a project folder. To make one, click on the Create Repository button, and you can give it a name. Add a description, pick whether to make it public or private, and then create the repository. Next, we need to get the project on your local machine, which is called cloning. Once you're on your repository, find the green code button and select the method you want to use to clone, which will give you a unique URL that links your local machine to the project. Now, open your terminal or console. Navigate your terminal in the location you desire and paste the URL into where the project will sit, then hit the Enter button, and it will create the project on your computer. If you have a project already, then you may want to create your own repository in your terminal. Enter the command git init into your project folder. This initializes the Git repository, setting the stage for version control. Next, the command to link your local and remote repositories. This is where the URL from your GitHub repository is used, so Git knows where to push and pull changes. Now, let's talk changes. Make them in your project files, save them, and then prepare to commit. This can all be done using the terminal. There are multiple steps to this. First, you save your changes, then you add your changes, which tells Git to track them. Then you commit your changes, which packages them up with describing messages. This is essential, so you will be able to understand what you did. This usually takes a few steps to complete, from git add, followed by git commit, and finally, you can then push your changes from your local machine to GitHub. To get other people's changes, you would pull their changes to your local repository, usually using the git pull command. Lastly, to work collaboratively, consider creating a pull request. This is like asking to merge your changes into the main project. This is normally done on GitHub's website. GitHub empowers you to manage code, share work, and collaborate. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.